As we dive into 2024, the world of food is more exciting than ever. From innovative twists on traditional classics to entirely new flavor sensations, this year's must-try foods are a feast for the senses. Please subscribe to our channel and the notification bell for more updates. So let's start our video. Number 10. Sushi Burrito, Tokyo, Japan. This innovative dish wraps sushi ingredients in a large seaweed sheet, creating a portable, hearty meal that's perfect for on the go. Imagine sushi rice, fresh fish, avocado, crunchy vegetables, and tangy sauces all rolled into one convenient package. It's a sushi lover's dream with a touch of convenience. The sushi burrito is all about bringing the essence of sushi to a new format. We use the freshest ingredients and focus on balance, just like traditional sushi, but it's designed for a new generation of foodies. Number 9. Tacos Mexico. Tacos, a vibrant staple from Mexico's culinary heart, burst with flavor and tradition. Each bite wraps you in a world of fresh ingredients, from tender meats to zesty salsas. Originating from the streets of Mexico, these handheld delights offer a taste of local culture with every crunch. Dive into the fiesta of flavors that make tacos a global sensation. Number 8. Korean barbecue tacos. These tacos feature marinated, grilled Korean meats like bulgogi or galbi, topped with fresh vegetables and spicy kimchi, all wrapped in a soft tortilla. The result is a fusion dish that's both flavorful and satisfying. The combination of Korean BBQ with Mexican tortillas creates a new flavor experience. It's all about bringing different food cultures together in harmony. Number 7. Biryani, Pakistan. Biryani is a beloved staple in Pakistani cuisine, known for its complex layers of spices, tender meat, and fragrant basmati rice. This year, Pakistani biryani is being celebrated for its traditional flavors, enhanced with modern twists like innovative garnishes and fusion variations. In 2024, we're seeing new variations that bring even more excitement to this classic. Number 6. Ramen, Japan. Ramen, a beloved Japanese dish, is a bowl of comfort and flavor. With its rich broth, tender noodles, and savory toppings, it's a culinary masterpiece. From classic shoyu to spicy miso, every bowl tells a story. Dive into Japan's vibrant food culture with every delicious bowl of ramen. Number 5. Chicken rice, Singapore. Feast your eyes on Singapore's chicken rice, a true culinary gem. This dish features perfectly poached chicken with tender, fragrant rice, all complemented by a spicy chili sauce and a punchy garlic ginger dip. It's simple yet packed with flavor, capturing the essence of Singapore's vibrant food scene. Number 4. Smoked wild salmon sushi, Canada. This sushi features wild salmon that's been smoked to perfection, adding a depth of flavor that complements the sushi rice and seaweed. It's a new take on traditional sushi that emphasizes Vancouver's commitment to quality seafood. Our smoked wild salmon sushi highlights the natural flavors of the fish while adding a unique smoky twist. It's a nod to both our local ingredients and innovative cooking techniques. Number 3. French macaron ice cream sandwiches. These delightful treats feature vibrant macarons filled with a variety of gourmet ice cream flavors. The combination of the crispy macaron shell and creamy ice cream creates a perfect balance of textures and flavors, making them a must-try for dessert lovers. We've taken the classic macaron and added a fun twist with ice cream. It's about creating a memorable dessert experience that's both beautiful and delicious. Number 2. Mediterranean falafel wraps, Greece. These wraps feature crispy falafel balls made from chickpeas, served with fresh vegetables and a drizzle of tangy tahini sauce, all wrapped in a warm pita. It's a perfect blend of flavors and textures, embodying the essence of Mediterranean cuisine. Our falafel wraps are all about simplicity and flavor. We use high-quality ingredients to ensure every bite is satisfying and wholesome. Number 1. Dim Sum, California. California's dim sum scene is a mouth-watering adventure, blending authentic flavors with local innovation. From flaky pot stickers to delicate dumplings, every dish offers a taste of tradition with a contemporary twist. Local chefs infuse their creations with fresh, regional ingredients, making each bite unique and exciting. Whether you're at a bustling restaurant or a trendy food market, California's dim sum is a flavorful journey you won't want to miss. And there you have it, 10 of the best foods to try in 2024, each offering a unique taste of different cultures and culinary innovation. These dishes promise a memorable dining experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures from around the world. Thanks for joining us on this global culinary adventure. Until next time, happy eating, and keep exploring the world of food.